Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing good. Today's recipe is a simple one again. I'm making a tangerine raita. I had actually bought some tangerines and they turned out a bit sour. We can't just throw them away, so I thought let me make some raita with it. You can even have this during Navratras because we are adding only rock salt, cumin powder, mint powder and honey to balance the sourness. So let's proceed to make this tangerine raita. These are the ingredients. We have taken about 1 cup of yogurt or as needed. 2 tangerines. We are going to peel and remove the segments. Then honey we will use as needed, about 1 tablespoon depending on the sourness of the fruit. Then salt to taste. Roasted cumin powder, crushed cumin powder. And we have dried mint powder. You can use fresh leaves also instead. And black pepper powder. Now you can use chaat masala also instead. You can replace all these ingredients along with the honey. Use chaat masala as needed. Now peel both the tangerines and remove the fleshy part also from inside. I'll show you how I did it. I have kept 2-3 pieces aside. You can do it with the help of a sharp knife. Cut out the tip, tiny portion from the tip, and peel the skin. It's very thin. You have to gently remove it, taking care that the fleshy part is intact. Very carefully cut out the skin. And the lower part also has these threads. Remove them. Just take care that the pieces are intact and not crushed and the juice is not lost. Same way, peel and cut all the tangerine segments. Here we go, it's done. It's a bit tedious, but we have to do it. Now if you want, you can use the pieces entire or divide them into 2 parts. For raita, I think cutting them into 2 is better option. So now we have the fleshy part ready, peeled, cut, ready to be mixed with the raita along with the seasonings. Take a larger dish for mixing. Transfer the yogurt. Whisk it using a balloon whisk. Now add the salt, cumin, mint and pepper powder as required. I'm adding about 2 to 3 pinches of each. You can taste it and then add accordingly to your preference, how you like it. If you are using fresh mint, you can chop the leaves very finely or crush them in the pestle and mortar and mix them. Honey, I'm adding about 1 tablespoon because I tasted the tangerine, it was quite sour. Now water you add only if the yogurt is very thick. I don't think I'll require any water for this. The consistency is just perfect. Sometimes the yogurt doesn't set well. So for this I'm not adding any water. After mixing everything, taste. Check it out and then adjust the taste accordingly. If anything is required, you can mix. Now add the peeled tangerine pieces. Mix it gently, and here your delicious raita is ready. You can relish it chilled also. room temperature or chilled. Dish it out. So this is a nice way of using the sour fruit, which is not edible otherwise. Garnish it and serve it chilled. So whenever your fruits are sour, you make such raitas, or even they can be used in salads. This raita can also be enjoyed in between the meals like a snack. And it's also perfect for Navratri menu. Since it's a fruit salad, you can make and enjoy during the fasting days. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.